Hi, today we're going to be talking about their rules. As you can see, they're all spelled differently but sound the same. So the first there is THERE. This refers to a location, and an easy way to think about it is the opposite of here. So here are three examples that help you understand the context behind THERE. There is the hill we are going to hike on tonight. So this points out the location in which the hill is located. The second one, put down your jacket and umbrella over there before you come into the living room. So there can also be used in the middle of the sentence. It doesn't necessarily need to be in the beginning. So here they're talking about the jacket and umbrella's location. For the last sentence, what is going on over there? So once again, someone's asking what is going on in a certain location. So the next type of there is THEIR. This refers to something other people have or possess. It's about ownership. So an example of THEIR is the golden retriever is their family dog. So here we're talking about whose dog the golden retriever is. And the second example is their compass pointed them in the wrong direction. So this compass refers to them. The next example is they both won their basketball games because the other team forfeited. Here, there refers to the group of people's basketball games. Now for our last example, it's THEY apostrophe RE. So this is a contraction that expands to they are. In other words, it's a shorter form of they are. So this one's easier to differentiate because it is a contraction. But one example is they're at the beach because they wanted to cool off on a sunny day. So this could also be read as they are at the beach because they wanted to cool off on a sunny day. So similarly, the second example is they're planning on going to a vacation in December when it's cold. So here they are is when this family is planning on going on vacation. So for our last example, I'm not sure if they're gonna attend the family reunion. So this is referring to if this family is gonna attend the family reunion. I hope this helps. Thank you for listening.